Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Open settings on your Huawei phone from the apps list or notification shade. Tap battery to view power modes and current battery percentage. Look for ultra power saving mode in the battery menu. If the phone is locked in that mode, confirm that the battery shows at least 3% charge. Prepare to follow on-screen prompts to restore normal mode and apps. Keep your charger handy if the battery is below safe levels. This prepares the phone for the next recovery steps. Tap Ultra Power Saving Mode to open its options and controls. You will see a clear toggle and a Turn Off Ultra Power Saving button. Select Turn Off Ultra Power Saving to restore normal app access and display settings. If the phone prompts you, confirm by tapping Turn Off or Restore on screen. Wait for the phone to reload the launcher and reconnect services. Do not remove the battery or force restart during this transition period. Allow up to 1 minute for all apps to reappear. If the mode will not disable, connect your charger and charge to at least 15% before retrying. You can soft restart the phone by holding power for 10 seconds to refresh system services. After exiting Ultra Power Saving, open Settings, then Apps to re-enable any missing apps and notifications. For persistent issues, clear the battery app cache from Settings to remove stale state data. If problems continue, back up your data and consider a factory reset as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.